It's time for my 6-month dental cleaning, and the first cleaning I had abroad was in Bali. Dr. Dia was excellent, and now I'm on my way to a Vietnamese dentist to get my teeth cleaned. We're going to see how this goes. If you're new here, I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. The dentist's office is centrally located. I could also walk to the dentist. In Da Nang, we walk on the street. The sidewalks are occupied by motorbikes, restaurants, tables and chairs. Vietnam is home to a plethora of coffee shops. What also attracted me to this practice is their commitment to operating as a charitable clinic, ensuring community access to dental care. Gotta take our shoes off. In Vietnamese culture, they give you warm water or hot water. It's good for your insides.
We are TGM Dental, and we are a spin-off of a East Meets West Dental, and we are a charity dental clinic that we run both services for customers that we charge, and we use some of our profits to contribute to the children, the disadvantaged children. They are orphans, they are handicapped, and we give them free dental care. And the program has been running since 1995. So
excellent.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm happy
Yes.
I found you through another YouTuber.
Yeah,
so,
that's pretty great. It's
Yes.
an honor to be introduced through another YouTuber.
Yes.
I'm really happy.
Absolutely. Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes, you're welcome. We hope you're happy with the dental services here. We're trying our best to give not only the highest quality to our customers, but also the best for the children that are not capable to assess
Absolutely.
the medical stuff of the city. They're from the rural areas, or they're too poor, they have no parents to take care of them. And we're glad to be part of their journey to help bring the healthy smiles to the kids.
I'm happy that I found you and to be a part of something that gives back to the community.
We're so happy to have you here today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Great. Oops. Hello.
This is our dentist, Mr. Sin. Is gonna have your teeth cleaned today.
Okay.
Yes. Hope you feel wonderful after the teeth cleaning.
Yes, hopefully they're not too bad for the doctor.
Oh, you look forward to that, so don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Yes, enjoy your time.
Thank you.
Fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with
Absolutely
me.
no pain. That was perfect. Thank you so much. My little pearly whites. It was no pain because why?
Because you have taken really good care of her teeth. You can see really shining, beautiful.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It was no pain at all. None. This feels just like my dentist if I were at home. No pain. It took about 20 minutes because my teeth are in good condition and I get cleanings every 6 months. Now I'm getting fitted for a night guard because I need a new night guard. Yay! I'm getting the works, y'all.
Yes.
Shout out to the lovely YouTuber Christina Kleska, whose video I saw on her experience 3 years ago at TGM Dental. And based on her recommendation, I looked them up. They had excellent reviews and I felt comfortable going here. I appreciate the review, Christina. Thank you so much. The service was excellent. Let me tell you, the dentist made sure that I was comfortable. Every step of the process kept asking, are you okay? And just reassuring my comfort. I had no problems, and I take good care of my teeth every 6 months cleaning. My appointment took about 20 minutes because of the condition of my teeth. The service was excellent. I met the workers, I met the manager. Also decided I needed a new night guard. They provided that service as well. I got to come back on Friday and get my night guard. Just because I'm out here on the road, my health is very important, and I'm keeping on top of all of my appointments no matter where I travel. And this is why I make these videos, so that it can help you out here on the road as well. Our health is very important. You need dental care. You want to know where you can go to get reliable, affordable dental care. I am headed to go pick up my night guard. It's Friday. They said it would be ready at 3 p.m. Let's go get it. I gotta take off my shoes. Nice to see you. They have the slippers waiting for you. I'm in the chair for my night guard. Hey y'all, I got my night guard. They had to shape it, of course. If it doesn't feel comfortable tonight, then I can always come back and they'll reshape it. If you pay in cash, they have a 5% discount. They're running a promotion. They give you 20% off of your service. That is excellent. My teeth cleaning costs 200,000 Vietnamese dong, which is, drum roll, I got 20% off. The final cost for my teeth cleaning was 160,000 Vietnamese dong, which is $6.60. You cannot beat that. You tell me where you can beat that price. You can't. My night guard was 2,800,000 Vietnamese dong, which is $115.49. Typically, my night guards in the United States cost me about $500 with insurance. If I'm lucky, my insurance fully covers it. Or I have to pay about $115. Listen, baby, you can't beat that price. The quality of service was excellent. The price, cost effective, affordable, just all around a 10 plus. I can't ask for anything better than what I have been served here in Vietnam at the dentist. Excellent. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time.